I'm going to attempt to explain how PressPass works, Brand Anywhere PressPass. It is an email service that goes out every week at Friday morning, and the PressPass contains information about mobile marketing news, and it's geared for marketing executives who don't have time to read through all the newspaper. Just we highlight what we think is important for them to read. Anyway, how does it work? PressPass, the back end, is a RSS feed syndicator. We use WordPress for that. And we also use Ping FM to resyndicate it over Twitter automatically. And then we use MailChimp as the email provider, which takes the RSS feed from WordPress and every week at the appropriate time looks for new articles that it has not yet posted, and then automatically generates an email from that. So step one is to log into WordPress, and the public can't actually see this WordPress blog. It's hidden using htaccess files. We're able to redirect any attempts to go to that web page, to the WordPress blog. We're able to hide the actual blog, except for the feed, the RSS feed, and the administration login. So post the article. In the title, if you've ever used WordPress, you know there's a title text box. You know that there's a body text box where you can actually type in the whole blog post. And then there's some custom fields. We created a filter. This is available on the WordPress plugin directory. And this filter, if you put a variable called URL, and then you type in a URL, then what will happen is the link in the RSS feed will change to that URL. So you can actually turn WordPress into an outbound, to actually send outbound URLs from WordPress. Its default is to make all the links in the RSS feed go back to the blog post on WordPress. So what happens is ping.fm finds that there's a new RSS feed, and instantly, as soon as it finds it, posts it to our Twitter account. So we get the benefit right away. It looks like a tweet. What's posted to the Twitter account is only the headline of the blog post in WordPress, and the link is that link in the custom link field. Then MailChimp every Friday checks for new messages, and you can program it for whenever. We said weekly on Fridays. You can make it every day at 6 a.m. or whatever. Anyway, it checks for new posts. All the new posts that it hasn't syndicated since last week, it will automatically create into an email. And we programmed it this way. We made our template to do this. And then it'll send it out to our mailing list, all automated. So this is how we communicate with our mailing list without having to go in and do the tedious creating an email, proofing the email, making sure nothing's wrong with it, and then sending it out. So it was a lot of work up front, but now it's on a system and it just goes. Finally, what we do, instead of just pasting a direct URL to whatever news source that we're linking to, we actually put a Brand Anywhere skin on top of it, so that we're getting branding exposure to all the people that click on our Twitter links, or all the people that click on the MailChimp links. They're seeing our logo on top. So if you ever get PressPass, you can sign up by brandanywhere.com/news. Anyway, if you ever get it, you click on a link, and you're on a desktop, you should see our branding on top. There is also a redirector on that, where if someone's coming in from a mobile device, it will not show them our branding. It'll just go and redirect completely to the article that we're linking to. The reason why we did that is that mobile devices, formatting on mobile devices can get all messed up if you don't have the right viewport tags and some other technical things going on. So we just want to skip that altogether for our branding because we don't know how that's going to interact with, pulling in a website underneath it. So we just redirect completely.